Hey guys, this is Bart. I'm gonna play World of Tanks. I played this game a little bit, but I'm gonna be playing with my friend Tristan. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let me tell him I'm recording. I'm recording. Alright, so we'll be back when we win the game. Dang it. Alright, we'll be back when he joins the game. Okay guys, I'm back. We're about to play. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna use our medium. Alright, let's go. My dog is like right here, trying to eat me. Yeah, but me and my friend Tristan, I'm gonna play some World of Tanks for about 20 minutes maybe. Yes, with my dog. And just say calm the shit down. Yes, okay, good. Okay, you're good, you're calmed. Alright, we need. Alright, we're playing. Let's go. Okay, where is he? Okay, there it is. Alright, there it is. Okay, let's say hi. Follow. Okay, let's follow him. I honestly suck so bad at this game. Like, really. I'm not even lying. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, yes. 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 Let me get my dog out my room. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. I just died. Yeah. I just died. This is my friend, Tristan. How's I? Man, we're pretty good buds. What's Tom to say? Alright, so yeah. Me and him are pretty good buds. We love playing World of Tanks. Alright, at least if you're watching this, please keep watching this. This is not going to be boring. Yeah, and you kill. But, so basically what we're going to do in this series is we're going to make funny moments, do all this crap, man. Gonna do all this crap. So, basically, yeah, we're gonna do funny moments. We're gonna do skills, like, look at my friend here. He's actually really good. Hit him. Alright, I hope he gets him. Do it with the fans! Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Get him, man. Get him, get him! Come on. You got this. You got this, Tristan. I'm gonna put... You got this. Yes. Let's go, let's go, let's... Oh, get him, get him. Oh, one more shot. Oh, sweet, bro. Let's go. Okay. Oh, attack. Negative. Oh, snap. Oh, I'm gonna make him mad. Oh. What does he say? No, not Tristan. Whoa, yay! Yes, yes. Okay, this time I'm gonna try not to get wrecked. I hope I don't get wrecked. I can upgrade. I can upgrade, bro. Oh, yeah. Dang it, never mind. Alright. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yay! Going. We going. We going. What? Church? The heck? What is he at? He's at the Matilda. Let's go. Come on, bro. Let's go. Okay. Don't pay attention to my name. Oh my gosh. When is he gonna go? Get ready. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh. Oh wait. I had to ready up. Oh, I thought he had to ready up. Okay, this time I'm gonna try not to die in 2 seconds. Dang it, I'm at the bottom. 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 Let's go. Alright. Alright, Lego. Oh crap. I'm gonna snipe. Alright. I'm gonna be covering this over this place. Or should I cover? What the heck? Wait. Okay, good. Ooh. Sweet. Okay, I penetrated this. Wait. Crap, I've been spotted. Shiz. Okay, I'm not gonna get him. Okay, I'm running. Run. Call the police. Call the police. Ah, run. Come on. Oh no. Freak, this sucks. I'm dead. No, freak you. Freak you. Freak you. Are you freaking serious? Oh my freaking gosh. I hate you. You piece of crap. Now let's spectate Tristan. Okay, bye, guys. I'll be right back. Dang it, wait. I have just tried to take a pee. Check out her. Yeah. Dang it, my dog's back. Sadie? No. Nada. Get back in there. Alright, so, yeah, I am starting to suck. Okay, Tristan, you're gonna get wrecked. Tristan. He's about to get wrecked. Oh, wow. Tristan, you're about to get wrecked. Oh, crap. Okay, bye, guys. And see you in the next time. Bye.